Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the old string, untie the knot at the spike, and pull the string out through the tama and ken. Once done, inspect the tama hole and ken for burrs or splinters. This matters because a rough edge shortens new string life. Now grab your replacement string, bead, lighter, scissors, tape, and a needle if available. Begin threading from the spike end. Make sure the string seats evenly to avoid twists that will complicate later steps. You now set the functional length. Measure roughly 16 to 18 cm from the ken base to the tama center, adjusting for your style. Next, thread the string through the spike hole into the ken, then feed it through the tama. Use a taped end or needle to guide the string smoothly. Once through, add the bead inside the tama or on the outside depending on your kendama, and leave a bit of slack before tying. Make sure the tama moves freely. That mobility is essential for control. Finish by tying a secure stopper knot at the spike. Use a double overhand or specific kendama knot and cinch tight. Trim excess and lightly melt the end so it won't fray. Then you test with a few cups, spikes, and stalls. Make sure the string doesn't slip or catch. If you see issues, recheck for burrs or knots inside the holes. Shorten length by 1 to 2 centimeters if too loose, or retie using a doubled strand for extra durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.